Zhejiang Yongan Deli Industry and Trade Company Limited, famous as Deli Ladder, is a professional manufacturer and supplier of various aluminum ladders, including telescopic ladders, multi-purpose ladders, extension ladders, household ladders, step ladders, scaffold ladders, and related product. Deli Ladder was founded in 2010 and located in China hardware capital, Yongkang City, with production area of 24,000 square meters, including 8,000 square meters modern warehouse. Our company has gained a good reputation from customers with some advantages, such as stable quality, competitive prices, timely delivery, effective communication. Our products are mainly sold in the United States, Germany, Britain, France, South America, and Africa, with the help of 12 years ladder production experiences and the advanced equipment. Deli Ladder's annual output is 350,000 pieces telescopic ladders and 250,000 pieces multi-purpose ladders. Furthermore, we have professional laboratory equipment and professional inspectors to carry out quality control, and our products have gained plenty of certificate, such as ISO 9001, BSCI, SGS, EN 131, EN 14183, ANSI, AS 1892.1, DECRA. Focus on integrity, quality, customer, and innovation. Deli Ladder is to be built as a brand name by serving customers with safe products, stable quality, prompt delivery, and flexible trading way.